Hello, my name is Samuel Lascuaga. I'm presenting to you a part of my doctoral thesis that I am developing at the Universidad Autónoma Metropolitana Unidad Iztapalapa in Mexico City. The work is titled In Silico Identification of New Potential Senolytics. During aging, senescent cells accumulate in tissues and organs, contributing to the progression of various chronic and degenerative disease. So, into the counter this accumulation, the use of molecules capable of inducing selective death of senescent cells by inhibiting survival pathways and anti-apoptotic resistance has been proposed. These molecules are known as senolytics. So, our aim was to identify molecules with potential senolytic activity that have a multi-target mechanism against various scabs and known senolytic targets. In order to do it, our first step was to identify and prioritize the targets on which to direct these molecules. This was done using the transcriptomic data on human prostate epithelial primary cell cultures prematurely induced to senescence with hydrogen peroxide in order to analyze the gene expression and co-expression patterns using network analysis, which allowed the identification of 4 targets. Once those targets were identified, chemoinformatic approaches such as structural similarity search and structure-based virtual screening were used to filter more than 300,000 molecules. In total, 11 molecules were selected. Then, using systems pharmacology, we interrogate their potential mechanisms of actions. We found that they can potentially inhibit at least 2 scabs and some other senolytic targets. All these targets are involved in signaling pathways related to proliferation, survival, metabolism, and immunological process, so that the inhibition of these targets could result in the elimination of the senescent cells. Thanks for your attention, and I will be glad to answer your questions.